Hi, I would like to welcome you to this very small video, show you how you do the writing the class just from the attribute. Eclipse does allow you to do it in seconds. This is actually just a quick video. First of all, we need to have a look at this. If you look at only look at the parts, right here. So you're interested in just define these attributes first, of course the class and the attributes, and then we can write the code. So that we'll now start. So the person is going name, age, gender, contact number, salary, and the UML says it's minus. That means it's a private attribute, and therefore, so if I've got a class written here, which says public class person, so I need to define all these are to be variables. Here they are. Private strings name, integer age, gender, which is char, string is contact number, and of course salary is double. The first thing you need, even though Java says the default constructor, you don't need to write it, but sometimes you need to write that because just in case you want to trace the number of objects being created, and therefore I can write just that first one. So that's be public, and as we are aware, the constructor is a method, takes exactly the same name as the class. There it is. Right, now how can I do the rest? So if I want to write the code for this, because these are private, each one of them needs set and get in order to get them from the outset. You can do that by right click here. So just you don't go there anywhere, just go in here, and here you go. Right click, go to source. Here it is. You want first for the constructor using field generated. And what do you want? All these, of course you do. Generated. It's done for you. Now I want all the sets and gets, same things. Go to source. Here it is. Setters and getters. That generates setters and getters. It is. Click on that. Each one of them say, do you want set and get? Of course, because they are private, I need both of them. There you go. We've done this. And generate. And here they are. All the sets and gets are done for me. Now, remember, sometimes you need to print just the object name, which means you need to write an override method which is called toStrings. To do that, make sure to put it here, your source again. Look at that. Say generate toString. Here we go. What do you want? All of these? Of course, do. Here they are. Here it is. Now, what you can do in that case, just do the format in a way, right? First of all, you don't need persons and name, just Jerry's here. And I'm going to put, for instance, name equal, put a space, it is, that's name. So I can put the second one, I put it underneath it if you want, right? This is equal, or sometimes it depends, you do the format on that, here it is, the format of this one, like that, looks nicer, right? You want probably, if you want this, the age, be on different lines, right? This one, for instance, I put /n, give me a new line with age, right, the gender, I don't need that, so I can say \n, give me a new line, gender, and space looks like that, right? If you want the other, just put it underneath here, contact number, can \n, and just change it in the way you want it. So I'm going to say contact number, because it's just print. Contact number, there it is. There you go, that's contact number, and of course, got salary. There you go, give this \n as well. \n, and you start with capital S, will be nicer. There you go, right. And of course, this one here, and that's a plus. There it is, salary, and of course, don't need that. There it is. That's so that's going to give me name, as name, age. You can if you want to put one under the other. Here it is, age, So gender, it is, contact numbers, contact salary, and so on. So here it is. That's all you do, right? And the class in this case is being created, right? I'm going to write test for this one, and we go. Of course, if you notice here, say super, just in case you have inheritance. In this case, we don't. So here you go. So let's just remove this one, and that is being done for us. So you can do it by hand, or you do it by hand. You learn it more. This is the program generated that for you, which is exactly the way you've been taught. So click that name. This, when I say this, it means I'm referring to this attribute, private one, the name. When I click on here, it means I'm clicking on the one came to the constructor. Thank you very much. And that's how you generate a file from the attributes, create all the methods inside the class. Thank you.